Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to go over the spelling words for this week. So you should write them as we go over them. If you have your morning work handy, you can use the back of it, or you can get another piece of paper that you can use to write on. All right, the first word this week is the word because. And we use the word because when we're going to give a reason for something. For example, we might say, I took my umbrella because it was raining. If you notice, there's a little word be at the beginning of the word. Okay, the second word is the word group. And a group is several things that we take and put together. It could be a group of people. It could be a group of chairs that we put together. In the word group, there are two vowels in the middle. Okay, the third word is those. Usually we use those when we're pointing something out. Like we might say, please bring me those books. The fourth one is came, which is the past tense of come. So my friend came to my house yesterday. Number 5 looks like a big word, but it's really easy. I'm going to show you a little trick with this word. Together. So you might think about putting a puzzle together. The word together has 3 little words: to, get, and her. So if you can remember those 3 little words and how to spell them, you can spell the word together. Number 6, along. Do you get along with your brothers and sisters? And of course, there's 2 words there also, a and long. Number 7, answer. You might see this word a lot on worksheets or in testing, where it's asking you to answer a question. Number 8, be, long. 2 words, be and long. So if something belongs somewhere, that's where we should put it, correct? Like your mom might say, put your toys back where they belong. Or you can belong to a club, like you could belong to the Boy Scouts or the Girl Scouts. Number 9, paper. I think everybody knows what paper is. Number 10, always. Like you should always do your work. All right, those are the 10 spelling words for this week. And then these are the vocabulary words. And remember, the vocabulary words you don't necessarily need to know how to spell. We practice them as spelling words, but if we were in school, we would not expect you to spell them correctly on a spelling test, but we do expect you to know what the words mean. The first word is subject. And the way this is being used is when it's the part of the sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. It includes a noun. An example sentence, the subject of the sentence was the boy. So if I had a sentence like, the boy played his video game, the boy is the subject. The boy is who or what that sentence is about. Okay, the second part of a sentence is the predicate. And the predicate of a sentence tells what the subject is doing. It includes a verb. The predicate started with the word ran. The dog ran down the street. So the dog would be the subject of the sentence. Ran down the street would be the predicate. Number sentence. A math problem written out with the answer. An example sentence for number sentence would be write a number sentence for each story problem. So for example, an example of a number sentence would be 5 plus 3 equal 8. Array. An array is a model of rows and columns of equal length to help solve a math problem. So an array, we might have 5 chairs in a row and 5 rows. That would be an array. John made an array to figure out the answer to the math problem. And you'll find out that when we get into multiplication, that you might use arrays, or division, you might use arrays to figure out your math problem. Okay, number 15 is transition. And transition means to move smoothly from one thing to the next. We need to transition to math a bit faster. So for example, if we were doing spelling and then it was math time, transition would be that period of time when we're going from spelling to math. That's a transition. All right, that's our spelling words for the week. Hopefully you practice writing them out so you know what each of the words is and how to spell them and what they mean. And we'll be doing a lot of practice with them this week. Have a great day.